hadn't even looked at this book since I got it back, right? This is me learning this year, and this was sent off last year. So when I pulled it out and it sold, I pulled it out of the box. I was like, oh, wow, 8.5. And I had to go back and look and go, well, what was wrong with this book? And I'm wondering, did the person buy this because they wanted to crack it and repress it? And that is a strategy, right? That you can buy a book and say, I'm going to repress it and send it back in again. You could do well. But on this book, just looking at what I've now learned about spine stress, it's got too many. And they're so small. I mean, they're so small. They're hard to even tell that they're breaking color. But the fascinating part to me is on the back of this, and you're not going to probably be able to see